Okay, today is a quick declutter with me. I'm going to show you how to declutter a space in just 10 minutes. That's going to get you feeling really motivated to keep going. I think one of the struggles most of us face is that we go all out, all at once to try and declutter our house, and then we get really burnt out and we don't want to keep going. We get distracted by all the other details of what needs to happen, and then we forget about the space we're supposed to be focusing on, and then when we're done, it's like hours later and we feel like it doesn't even look like anything has happened. So today we're going to focus on one small space for a big win in only 10 minutes. This little 10-minute challenge is perfect for anyone who feels like you're short on time or you're just overwhelmed and don't know where to start with decluttering your house. We're going to have a win here today. The video itself is not going to be exactly 10 minutes because editing is a thing, but the idea here is to declutter a specific space in your house for 10 minutes, and I'm going to do one in my own house and walk you through exactly how to do it. I promise you that even the smallest change, even the smallest win in your house is going to have a huge effect on your sense of calm and on your sense of accomplishment, and you're going to feel so good when this is done. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a small space, something that you can probably declutter in about 10 minutes. So for me, dun, 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 is our art closet that's always getting messed up because my 3 kids have access to it. So I am going to declutter just a piece of the art closet because I don't think I can do the whole thing in 10 minutes. And the point is to have a win and not get distracted by perfection. So I'm just going to be doing the pink cart that holds all of my kids' papers and workbooks and stickers. But before I even pull that out, I'm going to set my 10-minute timer so that my brain knows I have a hard stop time and I'm not overwhelmed thinking I'm gonna have to keep going. A timer calms your brain and reminds you that this is not going to last forever. It also keeps you focused. During these 10 minutes, I am only focusing on decluttering this space. All right, here we go. Alexa, set a 10-minute decluttering timer.
Decluttering timer, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Here we go. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take out the pink cart, which does require taking out this giant shelf first. Okay. It's a bit of a mess down there, but again, I'm not getting distracted by cleaning out the whole thing. I'm just going to pick up a couple things, but I'm not going to even vacuum. My focus is on this pink cart right now. Okay, now that I have this out, I'm first going to empty it out really quickly, okay? So I'm going to get everything out onto the ground. You can absolutely take whatever you're doing onto a table or something, but I'm wearing very comfortable, stretchy pants, and I'm just going to do this right here. Okay, so we're going to take it all out. All the paper. I'm putting it in kind of like piles, but that's going to be step number 3. So number 1 is you're going to set your timer. Number 2 is you're going to empty the space. And number 3 is you're going to put it into like piles. Okay, so I have my stickers right here. These are all workbooks and coloring books. So he likes that one. He likes that one. This is her unicorn book. So I'm going to do sticker books to get those kind of organized. Okay, time and money book. Yeah, he likes that. This is best standards for math kindergarten. So he already graduated kindergarten. I'm going to get rid of that. Looks like he's already done most of these. I'm going to get rid of that one. Another sticker by number. This is something from church. Okay, so you see what I'm doing? Oh, here's the dinosaur sticker by number that this one was missing from. So I'm just getting things in like piles and I'm decluttering as I go. I'm getting rid of things that I don't think we need or use. Doesn't want that. He loves this. It's a notebook that he made for himself. How to draw dragons. I don't think he's ever going to use that. These Cinderella books. He likes sticker. This is a kindergarten book, but it looks like it's not really used. I think he'll still enjoy that. Okay, so this is my decluttered workbook pile. This is all stickers and then activity books. Okay, next I am going to do paper. All right, this tells me we are low on construction paper. Everything has been cut up. My kids know that we don't throw away pieces like this because they can still use them for projects, but this is getting a little out of hand and I think I need to buy some more construction paper. So that's good to know. What is that? Oh, old stickers. Frozen stickers. I'll keep those for my daughter. They will never use this because they drew on it. Some more construction paper scraps. Loose leaf paper. An old notebook that's completely used. And then this is loose leaf paper in here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all loose leaf paper back in here. Oh, stickers. I didn't realize that's what that was. Oh wait, that is a sticker project. So that's trash. I'm trying to decide what to do with this. It's not great, but they do use it. Okay, I think I'll just put that back in paper tray for now. At least it's kind of more organized, all right? I'm pretty much done here. So now that everything's in like piles, your next step, number 4, is you're gonna put everything back where it goes. Paper goes on this shelf. Stickers go on this shelf. Look at this. I think this is gonna take less than 10 minutes. I'll put these awkward ones on top. And this is the one he created himself as a notebook. So I'm gonna put that with paper. All right, time to go toss this stuff. Recycle if you can. I'll be right back. All right, and now I just have to put it back in the closet. So here we go. Voila. Get this awkward thing back in there. Notice that I didn't get distracted, that this thing has not been decluttered. I also did not vacuum and clean out this HVAC closet so that it's perfect. I just wanted a little decluttering win, that when I go grab a notebook or a coloring book for my kids, or they go grab a sticker book for themselves, that it is no longer a gigantic mess on that pink thing. We did it. Thanks for coming to this little declutter with me session. And as always, I hope that you live with less stuff and more intention. See you next time.